Top 9 Ways to Make Money. 1. Create a blog. There is no reason you can't make a living wage from blogging if you can establish a dedicated following in your specialty area. To make money blogging, though, you need to approach it like a business and be prepared to acquire knowledge in areas such as affiliate marketing and keyword research. In affiliate marketing, the advertiser only pays the affiliate publisher, your blog, when the publisher brings in a paying consumer, as opposed to the usual payment structures of per click or per thousand page views. You can monetize your blog in a number of ways, including through display advertising and the sale of digital products that you have created. 2. Software development. It's one of the best ways to supplement an active income with passive money online. Software development, more often known as coding, is in high demand and will remain so for the foreseeable future as technology's influence spreads. Successful digital nomads can be found all over the world, and among them are programmers who are willing to work from wherever. However, there is a steep learning curve, therefore extreme enthusiasm and perseverance are necessary for success. Upwork and Fiverr are two excellent places to seek for programming jobs if you're serious about making a living in the field. 3. A search engine optimization, SEO, expert. Those who profess to be SEO experts often provide misleading or out-of-date information, making for a murky landscape. Moreover, there is a plethora of frauds put into place by dishonest people who seek to take advantage of those who are unfamiliar with the nuances of online marketing. Distrust permeates the sector as a whole, with only a handful of brilliant people at the head of its intricate workings. But if you put in the effort to study and completely understand the difficulties of having the appropriate knowledge and using it ethically, the sky's the limit. Professional search engine optimization services can cost several $1,000s. You can master SEO and become an industry leader by developing the uncanny ability to provide invaluable services to a large audience. 4. Remote salesperson. If you're good at closing deals and you're just starting out, the internet is a veritable goldmine of chances for you to pursue as you seek to build a sustainable income stream. It eliminates the need for time-consuming and inconvenient in-person meetings. You can sell anything if you only have a way with words. You may find that working as a remote salesperson gives you the freedom to choose your own schedule. As long as you can bring in enough money, you can pretty much do what you want when you want. You'll go far in your chosen field if you're good at selling things to people. Finding remote sales possibilities and job-seeking sites, building a solid portfolio of relevant experience, and then crushing it should all be part of your plan. 5. Use a robo-advisor to invest. A robo-advisor, as the name implies, handles your financial investments automatically. After opening an account, deciding on a strategy, and selecting an appropriate level of risk, you can take advantage of the expertise of these experts. Don't worry about learning the ins and outs of investing. The robo-advisor will perform all the hard work for you. Just like you would with any other type of investment, you should do your own homework before putting your money into a fund. 6. Sell on Etsy. Similar to the experience of creating an Amazon or eBay, this type of online business or website development is quite satisfying. However, if you're just starting out as a business owner, you should know that there are some expenses associated with using Etsy. We should talk about the pricing structure of this webshop. Your profit from each sale will be reduced by 3.5% to cover the transaction fee. A fee of 20 cents per listing is required. 7. Start a podcast. In today's digital age, podcasting and blogging have emerged as popular means of supplemental income. Similarly to how you can monetize your blog, you can do the same with your podcast. Discovering your specialty makes it much simpler to target your audience, which in turn facilitates the beginning of your path into affiliate marketing and sponsorships. Twitch can be used by podcasters as a tool for expanding their fan bases. Just create a separate Twitch account for your podcast. You don't have to pay anything to get started using it. 8. YouTuber. If you are comfortable in front of the camera and have something you'd like to share, like a product or an idea, then creating a YouTube channel could be something you enjoy doing. Partnership with YouTube. Profitable opportunities exist on this digital marketplace for those who meet the requirements to become partners. Naturally, you'll need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 view hours over the past year on YouTube to qualify. When you reach partner status, and only then, can you start making money based on the amount of views your videos receive. In terms of advertising income, YouTube takes roughly 45%. Advertisers pay different amounts per thousand impressions, CPT, nevertheless. Most partners can expect to take home between 30 cents and $2.50 per hour. Establish a connection with Google AdSense. As soon as you become a YouTube partner, you may integrate with Google AdSense, Google's advertising system, and begin earning money on the number of times your ads are clicked and viewed. Promotional messages. You may make a lot of money by having companies sponsor your films in exchange for mentioning their products. YouTube, however, needs to be informed in advance of any such product placements. 9. Photography. As a 21st career option, you can sell your photographs to stock picture agencies like 500px, 123RF, and Crestic if you have an interest in or a talent for photography. As an alternative, you can use your smartphone's camera to take photographs that you can then sell to websites like FOP, IM, and ScoopShot.